Hello, today we are back at Fauvet Lane doing a repair for Donald Little. We went around and marked up all the wind damaged shingles on the roof. Gonna send in pictures of those as well. 33 on the front and 10 on the back. But for today, this is the shingle we are going to be replacing. Shingles around it sealed, not damaged. Let's go ahead and attempt this repair. All right, let's go ahead and pop these shingles up. All right, right away we've got matting transfer going on, so that's going to prevent the shingles from sticking down. Start with the lower 4 nails. And that nail is ripping through the shingle. That nail hole is not going to be reusable. Let's get the second one. And again, tearing right through the shingle. Shingle's falling off the nail. Next one. Again, running into the same issue. The nail is buried underneath this shingle. All right, that nail is not coming out. It's ripped all the way through into the shingles. Let's get the last nail out the bottom. Now let's start on the top 4. Again, ripping through the shingle. Once again. And this should be the last nail holding in the shingle. You can see all the granulation just from this repair attempt in this gutter. And here you can see that nail hole right here just falling apart, much too large. We cannot reuse that, or else it's not going to hold the shingle down properly. All right, let's go ahead and pull this one out. And slide our new shingle in. All right. That is in, and we'll use the roof snake tool to put the nails back. Lots of degranulation from that hammer hitting the shingles. And let's do the top 4 nails. So I am gonna have to use new nail holes because these old ones are not gonna properly hold down the shingle. That is 3 and there's 1 more. Okay, so this repair has failed for multiple reasons. First reason is we've got creasing of the shingle right here, up here, down here, and here as well. Matting transfer on these shingles as well, on the back of the shingles. So these shingles are not going to properly stick down. You can see all the matting transfer here. And the nail holes. We had to make new nail holes because these were much too large to properly hold the shingle down. So in replacing this one shingle, we've damaged 1, 2, 3, 4 shingles. This roof is unrepairable due to multiple reasons. These shingles are not going to be sticking down. They're going to be flapping in the wind, and water is going to be going down those old nail holes. And they've become creased, the same problem that we're trying to solve. So attempting to replace all 43 shingles, 43 times 4, it's about 175 shingles that are going to end up damaged and need replacing. This roof is not repairable. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.